Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to sideload apps on iPhone, meaning installing apps without using the official App Store, there are a few methods you can use, but keep in mind this works differently compared to Android. You're going to first need a computer, either Windows or Mac, because sideloading methods require a PC. So one of the most popular tools is Appstore. So start by going to Appstore website and download Alt server on your computer. And once it's installed, you're going to connect your iPhone to your computer using a cable and open the Alt server. From there, choose the option to install Appstore on your iPhone. You may be asked to enter your Apple ID. This is used to sign in the app, and it's required for site loading. So once Appstore is installed on your phone, open it and trust the developer profile. And now you can download IPA files, which are iOS app files, and open them using Appstore to install them on your device. Keep in mind that sideloaded apps may expire after a few days unless you refresh them regularly using Appstore. Also, always be careful about where you download IPA files from because unofficial sources can be unsafe. And that's it. That's how you can sideload apps on iPhone without using the App Store. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.